Good morning, YouTube. We're back at the track and we have a lot of work to do. We got to change a bunch of tires, make sure the car's all good for more ride-alongs. What are you doing, Kelsey? What?
You know what? I forgot to film already.
You forgot your camera?
No, I didn't.
Come on. Kelsey's gonna have a video out for this event as well. You should go check out her channel right here, there. Yeah, go check it out and let her know how she's doing and what she's got to do to get better. Alright guys, thank you. Butcher made it.
Here's your coffee with your sugars.
Oh, I love coffee. You got me coffee? Oh, you're the best.
Hey. I brought you a biscuit and a hash brown, too.
No, you didn't. Yes.
Here you go.
Lifesaver. Changed all these tires. They're all bad now, they're all good. And changed 2 trailer tires, the one that had the nail and the one that had the bubble. So now those are out, got new ones on there. And really tired. Also changed the tires for Jeff. And Kelsey's over here filling up with gas. The car's ready, she already gave like 2 ride-alongs. And we're just waiting for people to come ride. If you're here, come find us. But you won't see this till it's too late, but you know, whatever. Booty. RX-7, Fast and Furious body kit, wheel side kit. You 2 friends from Kentucky.
Hey, tell Adam I say what's up.
Alright, I'll tell him what's up.
And don't tell Ray I said hi.
Alright, I'll tell him what's up. I've always liked this front bumper on the Z's. Or would you rock a Rocket Bunny style? This is so wide.
So we're back at the pits. I rode around with Dom here. He's the guy who runs the event and puts this out for all of us. So I wanted to say thank you so much.
Oh man, thanks so much.
Yeah, no, thank you for having us. And yeah, it's amazing. I love this place. The weather's awesome. Minus the wind is kind of blowing tense now.
Yeah, wind is definitely a little bit more.
But
it's a much better day than it was expected. You know, we were thinking it might have a little bit of rain sip and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Really good that we didn't have it.
Oh, the weather's amazing. And this event is just as big as Atlanta. You know, y'all need to come check it out. If you're from around here, we'll be here next year. Come say hi. And Atlanta is the same thing. All right. And if you see Dom, tell him thank you. All right. Give him a handshake and a high five.
Thanks for coming out.
Yep. Somebody from the car show with a stretched tire, I think it was a Lexus. The tire fell off the bead, the rim. The tire's fine, the rim's fine. They can't inflate it again because it's stretched. All the stance guys and everything running that stuff. So they've never inflated a tire with lighter fluid, or not lighter fluid, I'm sorry, starting fluid and a lighter. So I'm gonna show them how it's done. But we don't have any lighter fluid, or starter fluid. So we're gonna use electrical. What's it called? It's right here. Electronic cleaner. Hey, I already tried it. It lights pretty well, so we'll see how it goes. If I die, you're gonna record it. Right. It's already recording. Just look at it.
Hey, you come over here. I don't know how to work this shit. Come here.
Oh, there's just a bigger one.
A lot of that. It doesn't explode nearly as much as start.
There you go, focusing on you.
Oh man, we're back out here.
We're back.
In Port Alliance, Kentucky.
Date number 2.
Day 2. It's a little bit slower.
We're gonna head over here, see if we can see some cool cars, and we're gonna head over to the drag strip, which is over there. We just ate some, well, I ate some pulled pork sandwich from there. It's delicious.
I don't eat meat, man. I just had some fries.
But they were good, right?
They're pretty good.
Good cheese
Do I
fries.
have any cheese in my beer?
No, no.
Alright, we're good.
I mean, it's red, but not yellow. I really like this G35X, the newer model. Looks good. Jelly. Ooh, we got a Mustang and I think it's a Charger. And a Charger up. Here we go. I know the Mustang's supercharged. I don't know about the Charger. Ooh, the Charger sounds turbo. Hey, Fletcher, who do you think is gonna win?
Well, honestly, the Mustang's probably gonna hit us. It's gonna die.
No, we're not gonna die. But if we, who do you think's gonna win? Oh, that's gone. There goes the motor. And obviously the Charger won with a 10-1. The Mustang got a 12-9 still and blew his motor. I hope there's no oil all over the track. That's gonna suck.
So the purple one.
The purple one?
Because the Mustang was gonna hit us and we were gonna die.
Yeah, alright, fine. I thought the Mustang was gonna win actually.
I wish I had my 85mm, my to take a shot.
Dang. It looks like that Mustang blew up or something and it's down there. And this is a girl driver Charger, but I have to go back to help Kelsey, so I think Fletcher's gonna continue and film this for you guys.
So Marco left me with his camera, and I'm not really sure how this thing works, so I'm just gonna like fiddle until I can figure it out. Oh, hey look, I'm in focus, I think. But yeah, we've got a dope ass car about to go get it, and I'm doing this. I'm gonna take a photo of this while I'm doing it. Man, this thing's rowdy. It says 10.6. So I took Marco's camera because he had to go work. But those Hellcats are rowdy, yo! By the way, I'm Fletcher Knoxville. If you ever have anything to ask me, just call Marco. He knows more than me. But I'm heading back to Kelsey's booth to get back with him, get him his camera. We're kind of walking through the pits right now. A couple drag races went on. Yeah, it's kind of dying down. We've got a little bit left to go today, but there's kind of the drift and drag pits. Come on, but yeah, there's a line of just cars ready to go get rowdy in the drag strip. Drift cars are, I'll walk through their waiting line too, so see you in a sec. We're back. Kind of probably walking where I shouldn't, but I wanted to show you all some of the cars that are driving on the drift event. So, I'm pretty sure this is LS. I mean, seemed to be the common swap for 240s. Ask Marco. There you go. Then you've got one of the dirtiest E30s. I'm gonna go ahead and put Jesse Lom in here because that's like that's the dirtiest E30. What's in it? So you're just running a stock engine with hella boost. I like it. Look at this E30 though, guys. It's sick. Then you got the KA 240 with some boost. You got this little 350. If you look back, here's the drag strip again. I don't even know if you can hear me, but I don't really care. We're walking back to the pits for Kelsey and Jeff Donati. Jeff_drifts is his Instagram. He recently won Midwest Drift Union. He will be a Pro 2 driver. They're actually going right now. I don't know if you can even see him because of the focus. Yeah, they've literally been shredding. Yeah, just nasty.
This car is ridiculous. It's so fast. That's awesome. This car is sick as well. That's what it's all about. Just your stock KA 240, just bring it out here. Practice, have some fun. Get your seat time. Woo, GoPro! No! Gotta grab it. How you doing today?
Not bad now.
Not bad now. I saw you put out that fire.
Yeah.
On point, on time, right there. No.
Let it vent. I think it just popped the rat hose.
Should be alright. You got it?
Almost. I just put the sweatshirt off in case it does spray. It goes in the sweatshirt, not on me.
Woo!
It's still in there, but I'll let it spray a minute. Those are soaked with hot water.
Say something. This dude bought this car for $600. Just painted it all kinds of colors and came out here to have fun. Sort of tandem out here. Look at those wheels. I'm gonna come back to that. Everybody's leaving now. Basically, all of the cars are gone. All of the trailers are all loaded up and leaving. There's like no show cars left. We're all packed up as well. These crazy people are doing a haircut at the track after this whole mayhem. You got this, Fletcher?
Yeah, man. Haircuts and massages.
What about this wind?
Trackside trims, bro.
What about this wind?
This wind, man, it's good because that means Jeff's gonna be eating Kelsey's hair in a second. Screw dinner.
Oh man.
The last time I cut it was in the parking lot of Orlando Speed World.
That's true.
Nicer track than Orlando Speed Worlds.
Yeah. They have more options.
Alright guys, what better note to leave on than a haircut at the
Are you talking
track?
get cut at the same time?
But we are done here. Thank you guys for watching so much. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, share it, and let me know what you think in the comments below. You know, any cars you liked or anything else you want to see. Thank you guys.